me how to do it. What will I do? Yeah.
Draw strength of the ice circle.
Circle?
Yes.
Okay, show me. One big circle. Okay, one big circle. Okay. Okay, go. Another. Another circle. What's over here? Here. Go. Okay, yeah. Okay, I have two circles now. What's next? Erase it. Erase it. You will delete the one?
Yes.
What happened? Ah, you will delete the, you will erase the middle. Bakit nag-erase ang middle niya?
Dito.
Bakit nag-erase?
Nose.
For the nose. Okay. And you're using ano ba ito? Coffee, unique. I'm using pentel. Small lines of this. Okay. Next. Beside sa mata, there's left curve. Like that. Divide lang natin ng eyes. Tapos, what's next ko yan? This is the face sugar.
Hindi cheating.
No, it's not cheating. Kasi you draw it already in the face. Kasi, nagkano siya yung nakakita ko siya ng parang ito na face. Sabi ko, cheating yun.
Kaya sir, yan yung nasa-trace.
No, no face yun.
Hindi ba yun?
Okay then.
Wala yung
Nice. What's next? We have what do?
Lamang.
Come out. Oh, like this. Oh. Tapos,
Dating.
bit. Oh. What like this? Kulay na bit. May one foot apart. So tapos, there. Oh, meron pa lang. Okay, go. We have the freckles. Okay.
Thanks, blue lashes.
Lashes. Okay. Ilan yung lashes? Yes.
3.
Three lashes. Okay. Then,
But that now is this one.
you feel. Tingnan ko sa middle ng eye. Okay. Black. Sa gitna. As you feel. Ano ba kayo? Yeah. What's next?
The curve.
Ah, yung curve sa taas. Yung head niya. Ah, curvy. What's that? Ano ka? The chin? Ano yung chin? Yung pinag-curve din ako. Wow, wow. So yeah, look at my work. It's good? Good done? Good. What's next?
The hand.
Ha? Hands. Okay. One. Two. Tapos yung ganun. What's next?
This is the size.
The thighs.
Malaki.
Okay. Color. Oh. Oh. Ah.
Just the brown.
Let's see here. Ano ka? Ano ka dyan? Oh, nice. Show your ano. Doing wow, ang galing. What's next?
The
Color?
yellow.
What do you use? Markers. You use markers? That's fine. This is what? Pentel. Yours is Copic. Yan. Yung Copic na yung mga yan. Pero surplus na.
Ano yan yung pwede kong iyo?
Ano ba yun? Ano yung body? Ikaw lang yung body. Na yellow. Okay.
Pwede ko dudag sa tatay ko yan.
Kuya, pati ikaw ang nose. Lalagyan ko yung yellow nose. Kuya?
Cardo. C-A? Car. Na-8-8
Yung iba kasi, inuunan nila yung color before yung kasi hindi waterproof yung kuya kasi gusto na nakauna yung
Pwede kikita na nilang Jones.
yeah, yung kahit na video pag na-edit niya may yung good kuya, good ba ako good dito si mama okay, what's next? So yun ang kulay na namin si SpongeBob.
Ito kaya, itong brown.
Brown, yeah, it's a brown.
Ito,
Okay.
oh.
Yeah, this one? This one? Ha? Okay, sige, pakita ko yun. Brown dito, brown. Ayun lang yung tanong ng clip art.
Ano yung name?
Clip art. Kasi,
Ay, yun yung name.
okay.
Ano pa naman yung ito? Ano yung name?
Pencil. Actually, sa pencil ko, masyadong- Hindi. Pero kung nakita mo, hindi mo kaibigan mo. Masyadong siya kahit ang focus, guys. What's next, kuya? What's next? Okay, what's next? Ah, brown, brown yan. Yan yung next.
Pwede nga ako sa black lady.
Okay.
Men.
What's yan? What's next? Ano next? Ano ba tayo?
The red.
Red? Red. 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 What is this? Red.
Pagdating yung Alikay, pwede gagayahin ko yun? Hindi ko. Boyfriend sa Alikay?
Ayan.
Joke lang yun.
Ano ito, wala? Nagpingin ko na ng ay.
Ano ba, SpongeBob? Ice Blue. Kama dyan yung Ninong Jones. Ninong Tita yun? Ate Jones. Pwede yung Tita Jones?
Tapos,
Ito sa miyan. Gusto ko ko yun. Gusto ko kita baby. Ano ba isang bawang? Hindi ko yun.
Let's see. Oh, what's next? Final touches na lang. Ano sunod, kuya? What's next, kuya? What's next?
The last.
Last. Okay, ano
The
pa?
last. The sauce. The red. The chick.
Red? Oh. Ano ba yung cake ko yan? Ano sunod, kuya?
Hindi ko siya SpongeBob. Ito, the sauce.
The socks? Red socks. Red? Blue socks. Oh, very good.
The last is the bag.
Alin ka? Ano shoe? Oh, ilan kuya? What's your name? What's your name? Dito?
Jay.
Wow. How nice. Oh, let's see. Wow, guys. This is Jaden. This is Mama's. Wow. See? But I like, mas gusto ko yung kanya. Mas may character, no? Medyo feeling sa akin.
Sunod naman Squidward.
Mali. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Dito yung hands mo. Bye.